Sheikh, first of all, I will say that, okay, let me just ask my question. So, in political campaigns in our country, I will not name any parties, but a lot of parties, they are saying a lot of kufr stuff and they're influencing the masjid. Like they are telling to say certain stuff to the imam and other stuff. And also, the head of these political parties are saying stuff which are absolute kufr. Like Sharia, we don't want Sharia. What is Sharia? Or saying stuff like they are saying they will run the country on Quran.
So what is the question, Ya Ahmed, Ya Ziad?
In this situation, what should we do and should we vote or not?
Okay, first of all, it is totally haram to participate in voting for someone who says kufr statements such as, we will not use Sharia, or we will not refer to the Quran. Someone who says things that go against Islam. It is sad how religion, how Islam is being used as a tool for these politicians. And it is sad when such maulanas or imam are being paid generously to come and propagate or endorse such un-Islamic rhetoric. If we have these two haram, kafir parties who are saying things against Islam, don't vote. Look for someone who endorses Islam or is the lesser of all evils that you think that would help Islam and the Muslims. Problem in that they're not lying, they're not cheating, and they're paying for the things that they are buying legitimately. The only thing is that maybe they are not saying truthfully that they belong to X country. So for example, if they are from the US, they lie and cheat through VPN and say that they're from Egypt. This is lying and haram, but the transaction and what they bought is halal.